Money Sense is sponsored by Midwest Financial Group.
So you finally got into a place where you feel like you can comfortably start saving money. Embrace this because it's a great financial accomplishment. But now that you have some money saved up, it's a great time to put some thought into what you want to do with it. The amazing thing is you have options, but the struggle here can be figuring out what the best option is for you. Depending on the place you are in your life, there are many things to consider since everyone's situation is unique. From creating an emergency fund to paying off debts or saving for retirement, all of that is valuable and important to have. My advice would be check in with the financial professionals located right here in our town to get you started. This is your financial future, and we want it to be a good one.
Money Sense is sponsored by Midwest Financial Group, your local specialist in financial planning and wealth management, always putting your interest first.